These annual vehicle inspection forms from J.J. Keller provide a straightforward way to document inspections so fleets stay organized and compliant with federal rules. The thick manila paper stock and multi-part carbonless design make the reports durable, easy to read, and simple to distribute to drivers, maintenance, and records staff. Each form includes the inspection standards and required checkpoints, which helps inspectors avoid overlooking critical safety items during the annual review. The companion adhesive vinyl labels are rugged, laminated, and resist heat and tearing, so the inspection status stays clearly visible on the vehicle throughout the year. Because the forms and labels are consecutively numbered, it is much easier to track individual inspections and maintain a clean audit trail for regulators or internal reviews. The pack includes matching quantities of reports and labels, giving maintenance teams a complete, ready-to-use kit for managing annual inspections across a small to medium fleet.